The lights have been out for 36 hours. Your neighborhood is quiet. Too quiet. Then you hear it, the sound of shattering glass 3 doors down. It is not a stranger. It is the neighbor who borrowed your jumper cables last week. Only now, he is holding a crowbar and he is moving toward your front door. Welcome to the reality of a grid-down collapse. In this scenario, the darkness isn't your enemy. Your enemy is 300 million people who prepared for nothing, suddenly realizing they have 3 days of food left. Civilization has an expiration date. It is exactly 72 hours. After 3 days without power, the laws of man evaporate and the laws of the jungle take over. Today, we're marking the map. We are identifying the 8 locations that will turn into slaughterhouses within the first 48 hours. If you are standing in line at any of these places when the grid fails, you aren't running errands, you are walking into a kill zone. Let's begin. Kill zone number 1, the addiction trap, the pharmacy. You think the riots will start over bread? You are wrong. They will start over chemical dependency. Think about the numbers. Millions of people are on daily prescriptions, antidepressants, anti-anxiety meds, painkillers, and most critically, insulin. When the power dies, the supply chain breaks, the cold storage fails, there are no refills coming. Within 72 hours, millions of people will enter acute withdrawal. They won't just be sick, they will be desperate, irrational, and violent. The local pharmacy becomes a beacon for the desperate. Antibiotics, narcotics, rubbing alcohol. In a collapse, a blister pack of OxyContin is worth more than gold. It buys food, it buys safety. But here's the trap. When the addicts and the gangs hit the pharmacies, they won't stop there. Once they burn it down, they will fan out into the surrounding neighborhoods. If you are standing in line at any of these places when the grid fails, you aren't running errands, you are walking into a kill zone. Kill zone number 2, the hardware store. While the sheep run to the grocery store, the wolves run here. Why? Because when society crumbles, you realize you don't just need calories, you need capabilities. Axes, crowbars, machetes, chainsaws, propane tanks, nails. A hardware store is the armory of the apocalypse. It is a gold mine of survival. But here's the problem. Everyone else knows this too. By hour 48, this place will be flooded with 2 types of people: preppers who were too late and looters looking for tools to break into your house. Most of these stores have glass fronts and minimum wage security. Once that first window breaks, it becomes a shark tank. If you don't have your tools before the lights go out, it is too late. Do not go there to buy a generator. You will just be delivering your vehicle and your wallet to someone stronger than you. Kill zone number 3, the bomb, the gas station. Your tank is empty, and so is everyone else's. But most people forget basic physics. Gas pumps run on electricity. No power, no pump. It doesn't matter if there are 10,000 gallons of fuel in the underground tanks, it is stuck there. The gas station becomes a magnet for rage. You will see lines of cars gridlocked for miles. You will see fights breaking out over who gets to the nozzle first, only to realize nothing is coming out. Fuel is the blood of the modern world. Without it, people feel trapped, and trapped animals attack. Gasoline isn't just fuel for cars, it is fuel for generators, and in the wrong hands, it is a weapon. A Molotov cocktail costs nothing to make, but can burn a house down in minutes. Going to a gas station in a blackout is painting a target on your back. A 5-gallon jerry can is valuable enough to get you killed. Kill zone number 4, the meat grinder, the grocery store. Walmart, Costco, Target. In the first 12 hours, These places are the most dangerous spots on Earth. This is the default destination for 99% of the population. They have no plan, so they follow the herd. Thousands of people, no security, no rules, just panic and greed. We have seen people get trampled to death over a flat-screen TV on Black Friday. Now imagine what they will do when they think their children are going to starve. The shelves will be stripped in hours. Once the food is gone, the violence starts. Organized gangs will hit these stores first, not just to loot, but to control the supply. If you think you can just run in for a few cans of beans, don't. You will be robbed, stabbed, or followed home. These places are death traps. Avoid them at all costs. Kill zone number 5. Liquid gold, the liquor store. Welcome to the Wild West. When the grid goes down, cash becomes worthless. The new currency is vice. Alcohol is a painkiller. It is a disinfectant. It is fuel. And for millions of people, it is the only way they can cope with reality. Think about the alcoholics. After 24 hours without a drink, they get the shakes. After 48 hours, the delirium sets in. They will tear a steel door off its hinges to get a bottle of cheap vodka. High-proof alcohol is liquid gold. You can use it to barter for almost anything. In the Great Depression, in the collapse of Venezuela, alcohol was king. But do not be foolish enough to go looting for it. Stockpile it now. Cheap, clear spirits. Hide them. Because when the mob loots the liquor store and drinks it dry, they will start hunting for anyone who has a stash. Kill zone number 6. The Forgotten Vault. The pet store. Most people will run right past this place. They won't even look at it until they're starving. When the human food runs out, that bag of dog kibble stops looking like pet food. It looks like calories. It's packed with protein, fat, and preservatives. It lasts forever. In the Balkan Wars, people survived for months on dog biscuits. But the real treasure here isn't the food, it's the medicine. Fish antibiotics like amoxicillin are often the exact same compound used for humans, just labeled differently. When the pharmacies are burning, the pet store is your only source of infection control. Smart survivors know this. They will quietly sweep these places while a mob fights at the supermarket. But be fast. By week 2, even the secret will be out, and your neighbors will be fighting over cat food. Kill zone number 7, the school. You might think a school is a designated shelter, a safe zone. That's exactly why it is a trap. Local governments will herd people into high school gymnasiums. They will promise food, water, and protection. But when the trucks stop coming, those places turn into prisons. Disease spreads in close quarters. Sanitation fails. Tensions rise. And schools are targets. They have cafeterias. They have supplies. Gangs know this. They will lay siege to these safe zones. If you go to a refugee center, you are giving up your control. You become a statistic. You are waiting to be saved instead of saving yourself. And finally, kill zone number 8, the most dangerous place of all, the hospital. In a functioning world, this is where you go to be saved. In a collapse, this is where you go to die. Hospitals rely on power more than any other building. They have backup generators, yes, but those have fuel for maybe 48 hours, 72 max. When the generators die, the ventilators stop. The dialysis machines stop. The lights go out. It becomes a house of horrors. Thousands of sick, injured, and panicked people trapped in the dark. Infection spreads instantly. And remember the drugs. Hospitals hold the largest stockpiles of narcotics in the city. Every junkie and cartel soldier knows this. They will hit the hospitals with military precision. Do not go to the ER for a minor injury. Do not go there for help. It will be a war zone. You see, this list covers almost everywhere you go in a normal week. That's the point. Real survival doesn't happen when you're running through the streets with a backpack. It happens right now, before the lights go out. Stock your meds, buy your tools, fill your pantry, secure your home. Because when the grid fails, the only thing you can count on is that the unprepared will be looking for a victim. Don't let it be you. Stay inside, stay silent. Let the darkness swallow the others. Survival isn't about being strong, it's about being smart. Subscribe to survive. This is the last log.